Hey guys, I'm showing you this Endbug bug zapper. It's a bug zapper with outdoor indoor with LED light. It's an electric mosquito zapper with a fly zapper and a waterproof mosquito killer insect zapper with a fly trap for outside patio use. So let's just open it and see. So for me, it's basically for the outside use, but you can also use it inside. It all depends what is the requirement because this also have a LED light, so it's better and supply can be inside or outside, so I think you can use in both situation. And as you can see, this is a very nice design, and this is an electric plug. So let me just open this. So the good thing is that it also have a LED light that I will show you, and the bottom LED light will actually brighten up in the dark. So it's also have a on and off switch. Like here you can see the red one is on and off switch for the LED light in the bottom. And then you can open this as well to clean this up. So if there is a flies and things inside, you can clean this up with this supplied brush and everything, and just close this lid. So this is a 4200 volt and a powerful, quite safe bug zapper. It's with the handle, and you can see that it lights it up here. And when I just on the switch, this is the LED light that will brighten up the things. So when I put it, you can see it looks really nice. You can also use this in the outdoor. So it looks really nice and very good looking thing, and add up to your combat the flies and the mosquitoes outside or inside. Because the mosquito will attract towards this light and then get zapped and collect in that trash, and you can of course clean it and throw it or stuff. So it's IPX6 waterproof and also is an easy operation. So hope this is useful to you as well.